A warm welcome to you all. Today we will discuss about random forest algorithm. It is an ensemble based learning method and it contains multiple decision tree to make a accurate and robust model. It is useful in both classification and regression models in machine learning. This method has several advantages. Let us see this working model of random forest algorithm in detail. Random forest is defined with the help of multiple decision trees. So every tree making a decision. So after collecting all the decision based on the ensemble method of majority voting, we can define the output. To overcome the issues that are involved in the decision tree, we are going for this random forest method. Now we can see this. From the given data set, the first decision tree identified output as apple, the second tree identified as lemon, third tree identified as apple. So all tree must be processed with the same data sets, but they have using different categorization methods. Connection between a forest and a tree. A forest is nothing but a collection of trees, and among the many trees we have to define the output based on the majority voting. Here the majority of the output is identified as apple. So we have to split it which one is majority and minority. Final decision is taken as apple. Apply this random forest method. In remote sensing methods, while acquiring the images of Earth surface, we are using this RF method. Very high accuracy. Then second one is object detection. Here we can able to detect multiple class object by using this RF rule. Even in complicated environmental also we can able to process this method. Third one is Kinect method. Actually this is a game console. Here they can track the body movements and recreating the same thing. A user can perform a particular step, that movement is registered here, then based on these movements we train the model. To identify the body parts, first we have to train the data set, then the machine learns from the data, then the body parts which that are moving during the dancing purpose are identified. After identifying the body parts, we can implement that with high accuracy. Types of machine learning is supervised, which is a labeled data. Classification is divided into 4 types: k nearest neighbor, naive Bayes, decision tree, and random forest. Now we go for this random forest. Number 1, here it helps to reduce the overfitting problem, because here we are using multiple trees, so the burden get reduced, and also it takes only a little amount of time to train the model. Then the next one is that it provides a high accuracy even though for a large amount of data. Helps to estimate what are the data that are missing, and finally the accuracy is maintained in a overall proportion. Random forest, just have a glance at the decision tree. Here we are having a basket full of fruits, and each fruit has its unique features. So based on the feature we have to classify them. Here the entropy is very high. So based on the color diameter we have to label all the fruits. After splitting the data, that information gain should be high. Diameter is greater than or equal to 3. If it is true means one condition, false means another condition. The entropy gets reduced in the first step itself. We are having grape separately and lemon and apple in a separately. This node has entropy level of 0 because there is nothing to split this data. We have to split this data to attain the high gain. Based on the color, now we classify them. If the color is yellow means lemon, or else it is classified as apple. Now the entropy becomes 0. Now we can see how a random forest work. Random forest algorithm, we have implemented 3 trees. In the first one, we have taken the feature of diameter and orange color. Then we have taken red color and shape, either it is circle or not. Then here in third tree, we have taken is the diameter is equal to 1 or not. Then the fruit grows in summer or not. Okay. So here the same data sets are given for all the trees, but they have taken different feature classification to split the data. We have to identify one unknown data. Tree 1 classifies that unknown data as a orange because it uses that diameter, color, and whether it is grown in summer and its shape. Tree 2 classify them as cherry, and third tree identify it as orange. So majority voting is orange. So the final output is taken as orange. Given fruit is identified as orange. Consider this problem statement. Now we have to identify what species of iris to these flowers belong. Now we have to predict this with the help of random forest machine learning algorithm and implement them using Python. The first step, we have to load all the library with the iris datasets. So from sklearn we load all the required data. Then we have to load the random forest classifier library. Then loading pandas and the numpy. Set the random seed. Here we are creating an object called iris with the help of the data set to create a data frame with 4 future variables: the sepal length, sepal width, the petal length and the petal width. We have to add a new column for species name, to which species it actually belongs. Then we have to identify them whether it is trained or not. Then we have to find the total number of observation in the training dataset and testing dataset. Find the length of training data and testing data. Here it is identified as 118 for training data and 32 for testing data. Now we have to view the features present in it. Here we have to convert the species name into digits. Then a random forest classifier is created. Now we have to train this classifier with the features identified. Then testing the data with the help of that trained classifier. We predict that the probability of the first 10 observation. Then mapping the names for each predicted plant class. Then view the predictor species. Now we have to create a confusion matrix. So to know about the accuracy level, so we have to create a confusion matrix. Now the total number of predictions are 32, 13 plus 5 plus 2 plus 12. That is 32. So the number of accurate predictions are 13, 5 and 12. Here it is wrongly predicted. It is an inaccuracy. Accuracy of the current model is given by 30 divided by 32 into 100, that is equal to 93. So this is the total and this is the correctly identified. So the accuracy of the model is 93%. I hope you understand the concept of random forest. I hope everyone understand the concept of machine learning algorithms. Meet you in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye from Vijay. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.